Ladies and gentlemen, in today's video, I want to share with you a $2 million per month Shopify niche store that's absolutely brilliant. And I'm also going to share with you how you can replicate the learnings that we gained from this video into your own Shopify business that can scale and make you a meaningful income every single month. So let's dive into it. The store I'm talking about is called 10,000. And as you see, their traffic is absolutely booming. They've been increasing their traffic every single month, month over month, and they're nearing 500,000 monthly visitors, almost entirely from the United States. Now, this is very similar to the approach that I like to take with agency clients. If you don't know me, I run an agency called Activewear, and at Activewear, we also operate a studio where we're launching our own businesses, our own Shopify stores with the exact strategies that I lay out on my channel. And as you see, one of these stores that we started 90 days ago is done over $4,000 per day and extremely profitably, over 35% profits on this day specifically, which is pretty nuts. And then you can see we spend a lot of money on ads. We're actually the highest tiered Meta ads agency badge on Meta. So we're agency partners with Meta at my agency Academy. So I say all this to tell you that I have some sort of authority and that my opinion is maybe more valid than just some random person on the internet. Although I am just a random person on the internet too, so don't take me too seriously, but let's dive in. The store, as I said, is called 10,000. They're booming. And this is actually one particular product that intrigued me from the brand. So what they do is they actually are a men's activewear brand. Now, in the past, I've talked about the activewear niche. It's one of the biggest Shopify niches, believe it or not. Fashion itself is the second biggest niche after electronics, but activewear specifically, it's the biggest niche within the fashion niche. Pretty wild, right? And this product, I find it pretty simple, and I actually saw this ad for it. So they're running a ton of ads. That's actually the main advertising or the main way that they're getting traffic is through ads in the United States. And again, that is my exact strategy too. I like to focus on the US only actually for all of the new stores that we launch in our studio and in our community. So this is the ad that intrigued me. They launched this one like super recently. So, on this channel, I try to give you guys like the most up-to-date intelligence possible. Let's check it out. So it's literally just a slideshow video, 8 seconds long, showing all the mid-weight tech sweatshirts, right? So performance meets comfort, mid-weight tech sweatshirt. Now, this brand is actually estimated to have done 20 million in 2024. That's where I get the 2 million. But it's probably a lot more in 2025, actually. And another interesting thing is that they target men only. So they've actually created this constraint where they only target men. They don't have a men and women collection. They only have men. So let's actually just go to their homepage and see the world's most versatile short. So they sell these shorts. They sell a bunch of tactical stuff for men, right? Now, here's the thing. I think that's brilliant. I think setting up constraints for your business can actually be a really powerful thing because it just helps you narrow down your focus and create stronger systems. So in this case, they probably already know a ton of good creators to work with. They know all these sizes, all the things that men like. So they're able to really hone in on it and just continue to grow. Now, that doesn't mean you have to do that. Of course, it's just something I'm analyzing from their brand. So let's look at their ads now, specifically like all of their longest running ads, because this is the latest ad that I found by them. And this, by the way, is the ShoppyLab.ai platform. This is a learning center and resource center and community actually for Shopify builders. It's my community, it's my platform, and it's pretty cool. You can actually join for free and use some of the free features on here. For example, the calculators. I'll show you how to use this shortly because I actually found a really interesting product that you can sell on your own Shopify store without buying inventory, with a high quality, and that you could literally just import to your store in 5 minutes. And I'll show you how I go about that for my stores. But yeah, you can join for free, and then you can go to Team Drop here. If you go to the ShoppyLab sourcing section and Team Drop, that's how you can source products. This is our supply chain. It's extremely seamless, and that helps us scale stores like this extremely profitably with very little upfront investments. I'm talking less than $500. That's what this store required. And as I mentioned, it's done this day almost $1,600 in profit, not just sales. So let's dive into the older ads. Let's go down the rabbit hole. So we'll dive all the way till the end here. This is the Meta Ads Library. If you don't know, the Meta Ads Library is a free resource by Meta where they show you all of the ads that any brand on their platform is running. They are legally required to show you this. So, they're not doing you a favor per se here, although, it is pretty nice. But let's just take a look at what I want to find, because I see a lot of really nice ads here. So lightweight, minimal, and made for miles. Let's take a look at this ad. This is a very long running ad. So they started running this one December 3rd. Actually, that's not that long. So these guys are cycling through ads extremely quickly. Let's see.
Running gear that actually holds up. Listen up. These are the best running shorts that I've ever had, hands down.
10,000 session shorts, move with me. No chafing, no distractions. Ultra light, sweat wicking, and quick drying with zip pockets that keep my phone and gel secure so I can stay present and focused on my pace. They become the only shorts that I trust all day, every day, whether I'm running 3 miles or 20.
Yeah, this is like a pretty clear script, right? So this is like a scripted UGC video right there, but it does look very native and raw. So this is like iPhone quality, but it's still super aesthetically pleasing. Pretty cool. Now, here's the thing. What I like to do these days, this is a little bit of a hack for you guys. That's kind of my mission on the channel. I want to help the small guys beat the big guys. Not that these guys are big guys, and I don't want you to compete with them, but, I just want more people to build businesses that, help them. I think that's always a really cool thing. It's really changed my life. Even just having one store like this gives me so much freedom, and imagine having 5 like this, right? So, that's what you can do with the processes and systems that we have at our disposal today. But what I like to do, this is a huge hack, is I like to take their longest running static ads, like from any brand, right? And use them as inspiration for ads to launch, because these are, believe it or not, extremely easy to make. So let me show you a hack on how you can make ads exactly like this. And like I said, let's take the example of this women's product. So I know it's not the same as a men's only product, but I would actually try, I would apply a lot of these systems that they have, but for a women's only brand, athleisure brand. So I would do the same thing, but for women's only. And I think it could work pretty well. So what we can do is we can copy this supplier image. We can use this tool, draftpie.com. This is actually an internal tool that we built at our agency to create static ads for clients extremely fast. And we actually just made it available for the public. So you can use this. I'll link it in the description, and let me know how you like it. So what I'll do here is I'll delete all of these. So now I've gotten rid of all those, and I am in a folder here. So what's cool is you can organize your stuff pretty well. And I'll just literally put here, let me move myself. I'll put the image of the product here that I just copy and pasted, and I will just basically take a screenshot of this. So I'll copy this image and put it here too. And I'll say, create a static ad for my product, first image attached, in the exact same style of the second image attached. Very simple prompt, nothing too crazy. I'm not getting complex with this, right? And we're just gonna go, what dimension is this one? Let me just make sure. It's 9:16. So we'll do 9:16. And we'll do 3 at the same time. So that's the cool thing about this. And one of the reasons we built it is, first of all, the organizational piece, right? I usually like to use Higgsfield for this, but Higgsfield is so messy, right? Like there's just so much stuff going on. And when you generate stuff, it's just kind of a mess. So I like to be able to organize things in folders. I'll show you quickly how that looks, right? So you can see I have different folders here with different images. I have ShoppyLab folders. I have, another folder. I'll probably blur it out, unfortunately, because it's a private project. And then Astier. So this is a new store that I'm building on the channel. So let's actually generate these. I'll do 3 at the same time, and let's go. So the reason I like to do 3 at the same time is because, usually they might be a little bit different. So then I can get a few variations right away and I can pick the best one. But you can go all the way to 50 at the same time, which is a little extreme. I wouldn't recommend that unless you are spam testing creatives and you have like a really, really good prompt that works. But yeah, that's basically how I like to approach it. But boom, just like that, in just a few seconds, we're getting some generations. So boom, they're all starting to populate, and there we have it. So built for movement, yoga jacket, flexible, breathable fabric, moisture wicking, thumb hole, sleek design. Not bad, right? But we can take it a step further now. So now that we have these, we can say Also, make sure to put the jacket on a middle-aged woman. Yeah, just that woman model, let's say, right? Yeah, I mean, that's not the best prompt, but let's just see what we get. Like I'll just generate more and see what happens. This might be interesting. So there we have it. They're starting to populate, and there we go. Built for adventure, athletic jacket, adventure, lightweight, moisture wicking, breathable stretch fabric. So these I honestly think this is a good idea, like a athleisure, women's only brand, but for, middle-aged women. This is nice, right? Like this would appeal to some women for sure. Like she looks good, she looks comfortable, she looks happy, she looks like in an adventure setting. This is super cool. So yeah, you can do anything you want with this tool. I'll just leave it up to you, however you want to use it. Check it out in the description. It's pretty cool. Like I said, I've been using it internally like crazy. So I figured, you know what, let's just put a back end to it and a front end to it and make it available to our whole community. Each generation only costs a few cents to make, so it's extremely affordable to use. And it should help you guys out a lot, especially with making static ads, which, believe it or not, work extremely well. In fact, our team member Chelsea here in our Shopee Lab Accelerator community, which has been awesome. I encourage you guys to join here. You can see we're literally chatting here every single day, and this is free. So you can actually join for free if you go to shopeelab.ai and you go to the bottom here and you click on the Discord community. You'll be able to join the Discord for free and chat with me, chat with Chelsea, chat with some of the other members here. You can see we're having a lot of discussions. And this guy got his first sale from joining the community. But what I was going to say is Chelsea, who is our team member, she actually has been following our process step by step, but with static ads. And yesterday she spent $97 to make 476 back. That's pretty insane on her store with just static ads using DraftPy and using the same exact structure that I just mentioned, where you find a competitor or an inspiring brand that's relevant to your niche, and then you take, for example, inspiration from one of their longest running static ads and you adapt it to fit your brand and your product. It's a really great idea. Thank me later. But anyways, I found this brand really interesting and I wanted to talk about it briefly while giving you some ideas for things that you can launch. The last thing I want to do is actually explore their best sellers. I'm genuinely curious to see what products from them are selling the best, and it seems to be these shorts. So these shorts seem to be carrying the brand, and they're pretty simple shorts. I mean, they're not that crazy. They just have a lot of pockets and like secure pockets for people who like to be very active, and they're kind of expensive. $78 to $88 is not cheap by any means, but they have they can charge that because their brand appeal is very premium. I mean, their image is super premium. It looks luxury even though it's still athletic. So that's pretty cool. And yeah, this brand is just awesome. Look at this. This is like an insane mood board that they got going on. This is so wild. So no wonder they're crushing it. I mean, this isn't a new brand either. So, just remember, you're not going to build a brand like this overnight. And if your brand looks like this by the moment that you launch it, I'm sorry to tell you, you are way too late, right? Like you took way too long to launch. I promise you this brand did not look this way when they launched, and they've just continuously refined their aesthetic time over time. And that's exactly what you can do even if you start small with a very seamless and simple supply chain. This is free as well, by the way. I'll leave all these resources linked in the description so that you can quickly access it all. But the most important thing really is for you to take action on this information. Information means nothing if you're not going to take action on it. If you're just going to let it sit there in your brain without actually implementing any sort of thing, it's just not going to get you very far. Whereas even if you implement 1% of what we talked about today and you do that every day, you'll make meaningful progress over time. So it really doesn't take that much. It just takes a little bit of consistent action. So if I had to summarize how you can take action on this today, I would say first and foremost, start your Shopify store. We have a $1 per month plan for 3 months, so it costs you pretty much nothing. I also have a store builder theme as well, which is also free. And lucky for you guys, it's literally the same theme that I'm using on this demo store here that's converting at 6%. So you can get this theme for free. Just use this link. Then find a product, right? Find a product. I would use Team Drop. Team Drop is our supply chain, and it's just really good. The products are very high quality and you don't need to order inventory. You can get things shipped directly to your customer right away. So that's the next step. And then make some beautiful product images with DraftPy. I would suggest DraftPy. You can just use whatever you want. You can use Higgsfield if you want. That's what I used before. But again, I just stopped using it because we built DraftPy internally, and I just love the folder system. I love how you can generate so many generations fast as well. Higgsfield has gotten a lot slower since they've scaled up their operations. They're doing like 100 million a year now. So it's gotten a lot slower. So I prefer this now. So feel free to use this. Make your beautiful product images and then make like 6 or 7 static ads that you can launch at $50 to $100 a day for your product, and launch them on Meta. That's literally the strategy. That's what these guys are doing, but at a much, much, much higher level. But you got to start small, right? That's how you get started. That's how you get the ball rolling. And before you know it, you'll have a business that's making you an extra $500, $1,000 a day. And you can build more if you want. You can really go as far as you want with your ambition. And that's pretty much about it for this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Hopefully you found it educational. And like I said, I'll leave those resources in the description. So make sure you check them out and take action. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace.